Namaskar, sir. Today we are having the inauguration of plasma therapy facility in IGH Rourkela. ଏବେ ଆମେ ରାଉରକେଲା ଯିବା, ସେଇଠି ACS ହେଲ୍ଥ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଫର୍ ୱେଲକମ୍ ଆଡ୍ରେସ୍ ପ୍ଲିଜ୍।
ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କୁ କୋଭିଡ କବଳରୁ ମୁକ୍ତ କରିବାକୁ ସମସ୍ତ ପ୍ରଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବା ଓ ସମସ୍ତ ସହାୟତା ଯୋଗାଇ ଦେବାକୁ ମାନ୍ୟବର ମୁଖ୍ୟମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ସଂକଳ୍ପବଦ୍ଧ। ପ୍ଲାଜମା ଥେରାପି କେନ୍ଦ୍ର ସ୍ଥାପନ ପାଇଁ ଆବଶ୍ୟକ ଗୃହ, ଯନ୍ତ୍ରପାତି ଓ ମାନବ ସମ୍ବଳ ଯୋଗାଇ ଦେଇ ଏହି ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ ସ୍ଥାନୀୟ ଜନସାଧାରଣଙ୍କ ଆବଶ୍ୟକତା ପୂରଣ କରିବାରେ ସହାୟକ ହୋଇଛି।
Sir, now I would request the Honorable Chief Minister to inaugurate the plasma therapy facility by remote.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। Honorable Minister, Women and Child, Honorable MLAs, senior officers, doctors, plasma donors, as the entire world, including the state of Odisha, fights the global pandemic, COVID-19, it is plasma therapy that has brought a ray of hope amongst countless COVID patients and their families. Today it has become a weapon of faith, and we in Odisha have also seen it to be an effective medical procedure in so many cases. As an element of our solemn commitment to ensure good health and well-being of our people all across the state, we have decided to extend plasma therapy services to various regions of Odisha. After successful trials at Cuttack and Bhubaneswar, now it is a matter of joy and great satisfaction that today we are inaugurating the third plasma therapy facility, this time in Western Odisha at IGH Rourkela. After the success of trials undertaken at SCB Medical College, Cuttack, we get the confidence to replicate such facilities at 4 more centers. IGH Rourkela today has a task of great responsibility as public expectations are high. I am sure that with the blessings of the people of Odisha, this new center will be able to come up to our expectations and serve our people well. During the entire COVID period, we have stated on numerous occasions that we shall do all that is required to ensure that no person in Odisha is deprived of the best health care facilities. This is a commitment based on our faith and confidence in our doctors and other medical personnel in Odisha. They are doing their very best in trying circumstances. Please join me in appreciating, supporting, and standing by our healthcare warriors. It is a happy development to see plasma donation taken the shape of community-driven people's movement. Our government will continue to support such positive initiatives. It is heartening to note that more than 70 plasma units have been prepared in 15 days. 8 plasma-infused patients have been discharged, and 17 patients are showing signs of improvement after getting plasma. To further give a fillip to this movement, all our honorable MLAs have been associated and requested by the government to take the plasma donation movement forward. This will greatly encourage all our cured COVID survivors to come forward to donate their valuable plasma. In the coming days, we will start plasma centers at MKCJ Medical College, Bharampur, and Vimsar, Burla. With this, all the regions of the state will have easier access to plasma therapy, and all of us can together fulfill a crucial responsibility, that of maintaining high standards in public health and medical treatment, a responsibility given to us by the people of Odisha themselves. Bande Utkal Janani.